Hey, I'm Arya. Let's make Excel Excel. Today, the clean function. It strips out non-printable characters, the invisible junk that sneaks in when you import data from web pages, databases, or text files. We'll cover 4 real examples. First up, the simplest case. We've got the text Charizard, and someone has appended a hidden line break to the end. That line break is char10, the non-printable line feed character that you can't see but messes up your formatting. Type equals clean, open paren, quote, Charizard quote, ampersand, char, open paren, 10, close paren. Close the outer paren, hit enter. Clean strips out the line feed and gives us back a tidy single-line Charizard. Any ASCII character from 0 to 31 disappears the moment clean touches it. Now a more visible example. Imagine someone pasted a 2-type Pokemon like fire and flying, but the line break ended up between them, so it shows as fire on one row, flying below. We want to collapse that into a single string. Type equals clean. Inside, quote fire, quote, ampersand, char open paren, 10 close paren, ampersand, quote flying, quote. Close the parens, hit enter. Clean drops the line feed and we get fire flying glued together. Same trick works for any imported field with surprise line breaks from copy-paste or web scraping. Next, apply to a real cell reference. Type equals clean, then $M $2, which is Charizard's record string from our data table. Close the paren, hit enter. Even though the record looks clean to the eye, clean scrubs out anything non-printable behind the scenes. We get back the same record, guaranteed safe for the next step in your formula chain. Last example, defensive cleaning. We've got the Pokemon code in N2, but a stray char10 got concatenated to it from somewhere upstream. Type equals clean, $N $2, ampersand, char open paren 10 close paren. Close it, hit enter. Clean scrubs the trailing line break and returns just PKM-006-Charizard. Perfect when downstream systems break on hidden characters. So that's clean. One small function that quietly removes the 7-bit ASCII junk, code 0 through 31, from any text. Pair it with trim to also kill extra spaces, and your imported data is presentation ready. That's how you make Excel Excel. And if you want to take your clean formulas and turn them into a web app your whole team can use from any browser, check out SpreadsheetWeb. Your formulas, your logic, live on the web with no coding required. Link is below.